Sofa tables can add a lot to your home's interior. When designing our home's interior, we put a lot of emphasis on the furniture we intend to use. Furniture are not only essential for their diversified use, they make a home look great too. Furniture reflects our taste and lifestyle and therefore should be carefully chosen. Of all furniture that we use, tables make up a large share. Tables could be of different types, shapes and uses. Amongst these, sofa tables are used extensively in modern homes, which not only have wide usage but also add a lot to the looks of your home's interior. What are sofa tables? Sofa tables were first introduced in the 18th century and enjoyed its continued popularity in 19th century and beyond. They were designed mainly for the purpose of adding functionality to the living rooms and halls where sofas are used. They are usually tables with narrower and longer shapes.